Okay, so I was working on this area and I was trying to leave a strip that was going to go across here, but it was just too flimsy, too much rust, and I just kept finding more and more rust in there. So I ended up just cutting it all out. And then I made these patch panels. This one will just slip up in here and get welded in like that. Um, and then this one, the rust kind of went around the corner here. There's a corner piece here that was all rusted out. So I'm going to weld that into that spot and they'll kind of made up over here. Um, so I'm going to weld this one in first and then work on splicing them together. Okay, so I got 3 of those welds on there. I think that's probably enough to hold it in there, and we'll just do the rest with some seam sealer. Um, once again, like I am not a professional, don't know what I'm doing here. Um, so if I'm doing it the wrong way, let me know. But just take anything I'm doing here with a grain of salt. Of holes over here where I'm going to try and tie into this piece of sheet metal as well. So I'm going to put a clamp on that, try and get that gap tightened up and go for that. Okay. So that seems like it's not gripping. Like these welds did not go all the way through. Thinking maybe I needed to turn up the voltage on the welder a little bit because it seemed like it just didn't grab. So I'm probably gonna have to grind that out and redo that. But for now, I'm just gonna move on to mocking up the rest of it. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in there, but I need to drill out some holes in it. So let's just do a little test fit, and I'm just gonna mark that so that I can go along and put holes across here. So I've got a surface to weld onto. So I'm going to drill these out. I'm just going to deburr this a little bit with the drill bit to try and get all the extra junk off of there. All of that needs to come off. Okay. That ought to work. Let's scoot the car out a little bit and try to get the body a little more vertical. I'm going to try standing on it. See if I can. There we go. That'll make life a little easier to get under here and weld. Okay, let's get some clamps going. Okay, so this clamp isn't going to do much for me because it's not deep enough. So might have to go see if I've got a deeper clamp because I'm just not getting enough contact up in there. So I'll be right back. Okay, that's a little better. Okay, so I got those, welded from behind. I'm going to put a few tacks on here as well. I mean, I'm not going to go along this whole thing, but just to strengthen it a little bit more. It's not doing very well. I'm wondering if it's a grounding issue. Try that. Okay, so it took me a little while to get the welder figured out. It's kind of challenging because I'm welding a thicker plate onto the really thin sheet metal, and at first the welds were just terrible. I just couldn't get it figured out, but I upped my voltage and my wire speed a little bit and just kept cranking it up until now I feel like I was able to lock in and get some good welds on there. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of cleanup, redo some of this, but that's on there. This one's on here. I'm just gonna finish up by welding these two together and kind of trimming this down here, this excess metal. But I'm on my way. So I'll be posting on Instagram more updates at Rough Example, and I appreciate if you want to follow the channel. Helps keep me motivated for the project and keep going. So thanks for your support and have a good day.